With such a ton of varieties of vegetables, it is very hard to decide which vegetable is best to include in your diet. In this video, we will go into detail about the health benefits of asparagus by presenting the top 10 health benefits of this amazing vegetable. Asparagus, known as Asparagus officinalis, is a member of the lily family. This popular vegetable comes in a variety of colors, including green, white, and purple. It's used in dishes around the world, including frittatas, pasta, and stir-fries. This amazing plant is also low in calories and packed with essential nutrients. We will share all the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that asparagus contains, and some you didn't even hear about before. Welcome to Weight Loss Smarts. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And keep watching to learn how you can get an amazing free gift on how to quickly burn fat. Now, it's time to reveal the top 10 health benefits of asparagus. Number 10. Asparagus boosts your mood. We all know that our mental health is an important focus during our life cycle. This means we have to put gentle reminders to notice our stress and mood and implement an action to reduce stress or improve mood. Actions to take include physical activity, breathing exercises, meditation, mindfulness, or a change in dietary habits. And that's why adding asparagus to your daily meals is one of the actions that you need to take in order to boost your mood. Asparagus is a good source of folate, which is part of the calming B-complex vitamin known for reducing feelings of stress and anxiety. If a person has a folate deficiency, it can reinstate the happy hormone levels. Folate helps increase levels of serotonin and dopamine in the brain, so we can turn that frown upside down. According to many studies, they found that just 1/2 cup of cooked or raw asparagus provides 134 micrograms of folate, which is 34% of an adult's folate needs. So, asparagus is a great source to boost your daily mood. In addition, asparagus, along with many other fruits and vegetables, is a good source of antioxidants to promote overall good health. And this brings us to number 9. Asparagus is a good source of antioxidants. Antioxidants foods may reduce the risk of many diseases including heart disease and certain cancers, by freeing the radicals from the body cells, and preventing or reducing the damage caused by oxidation. According to food chemistry studies about the antioxidant activity of asparagus, they found that this vegetable showed greater antioxidant activity because it contains methanol and acetone extracts which are responsible for the antioxidant role in the body. In addition, asparagus is rich in vitamin E, vitamin C, and glutathione, as well as various flavonoids and polyphenols, which are scientifically known as high antioxidants. So, asparagus contains antioxidants such as vitamins C and E, flavonoids, and polyphenols, and these antioxidants help to keep harmful free radicals at bay, and may lower your risk of chronic disease. Number 8. Asparagus can improve digestive health. Did you know that just 1/2 cup of asparagus contains 1.8 grams of fiber, which is 7% of your daily needs? If we look deep into the science, we will find that fiber is one of the main reasons whole plant foods are good for you. Growing evidence shows that adequate fiber intake may benefit your digestion and reduce your risk of chronic disease. Many of these benefits are mediated by your gut microbiota, the millions of bacteria that live in your digestive system. And this makes asparagus particularly high in insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to stool and supports regular bowel movements. It also contains a small amount of soluble fiber, which dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract. Soluble fiber feeds the friendly bacteria in the gut, such as bifidobacteria, and lactobacillus. Groundbreaking research from PMC proved that increasing the number of these beneficial bacteria plays a role in strengthening the immune system, and producing essential nutrients like vitamin B12, and vitamin K. So, eating asparagus as part of a fiber-rich diet is an excellent way to help meet your fiber needs, and keep your digestive system healthy. Number 7. Asparagus helps lower blood pressure. According to PubMed's study of worldwide trends in blood pressure from 1975 to 2015, where they took a pooled analysis of 1,479 population-based measurement studies with 1 million participants. They found that high blood pressure is increasingly affecting more than 1.3 billion people worldwide, and is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Research suggests that increasing potassium intake while lowering salt intake appears to be an effective way to lower high blood pressure. Asparagus is a good source of potassium, and that's because in a half-cup serving of asparagus, you'll get 6% of your daily potassium needs. And according to a study published by the National Library of Medicine, where they studied the role of potassium in regulating blood flow and blood pressure, they confirmed that potassium lowers blood pressure in two ways: by relaxing the walls of blood vessels, and excreting excess salt through urine. What's more, research in rats with high blood pressure suggests that asparagus may have other blood pressure lowering properties. In one study, rats were fed either a diet with 5% asparagus or a standard diet without asparagus. After 10 weeks, the rats on the asparagus diet had 17% lower blood pressure than the rats on the standard diet. Researchers believed this effect was due to an active compound in asparagus that causes blood vessels to dilate. However, human studies are needed to determine whether this active compound has the same effect in humans. In any case, eating more potassium-rich vegetables, such as asparagus, is a great way to help keep your blood pressure in a healthy range. Number 6. Asparagus helps prevent urinary tract infections. Urinary tract infections, known as UTI, is an infection in any part of your urinary system. Women are at greater risk of developing a UTI than are men, because most infections involve the lower urinary tract, the bladder and the urethra. Asparagus may relieve UTI symptoms by increasing urinary volume and helping to flush bacteria out of the urinary tract. Many studies reveal that asparagus contains high levels of the amino acid asparagine, making it a natural diuretic. In other words, eating more of the spears can help flush excess fluid and salt from your body, which may help prevent urinary tract infections. When women are not urinating enough, they can get a UTI. It's possible that a diet rich in asparagus could prevent these painful infections from developing, since going to the bathroom more frequently can help move bad bacteria out of the urinary tract. So, asparagus is a great vegetable to add to your daily meals if you want to protect yourself from UTIs. Numbers 5 to 1 of the secret health benefits of asparagus are coming up. But it's time to let you in on a world of knowledge about simple and easy ways to burn fat. Clicking the link in the description below will give you access to an amazing free gift from the Weight Loss Smarts program. Discover the most delicious recipes that quickly burn fat with the new book, Favorite Dessert. All you gotta do is click the link below. And now, let's discover the top 5 health benefits of asparagus. Number 5. Asparagus beats bloating. Asparagus is an anti-bloating superfood. Sure, it makes your urine smell, but it also makes you pee, helping you flush all that excess water, thus relieving any discomfort and bloat. A study published by Health.com shows that asparagus also contains prebiotics, which help support the growth of good bacteria. This helps maintain a healthy balance in your digestive system to both prevent and reduce gas. In addition, it contains soluble and insoluble fibers, which help promote overall digestive health. Number 4. It supports a healthy pregnancy. Asparagus is a super healthy vegetable that's loaded with vitamins but contains nearly no fat or calories. This holds true in pregnancy, especially since some of the nutrients in asparagus are particularly good for growing babies in utero. These yummy green stalks are packed with folic acid and vitamin K, both of which are helpful for preventing birth defects in the fetus. Asparagus also supplies a good dose of vitamins B9, C, and A, as well as calcium and fiber. So, when asparagus is cleaned, stored, and prepared correctly, it's 100% safe to eat during pregnancy and breastfeeding. You may experience a few minor side effects if you're eating a ton of it, but none of these are harmful to you or your baby. As long as you can tolerate it, eat as much asparagus as you want. It's a folate and vitamin-rich spring vegetable that can keep you and your baby healthy. Number 3. It's a natural diuretic. Asparagus can act as a natural diuretic according to a 2010 study published in the West Indian Medical Journal. This can help rid the body of excess salt and fluid, making it especially good for people suffering from edema and high blood pressure. It also helps flush out toxins in the kidneys and prevent kidney stones. However, the National Institutes of Health recommends that people who are suffering from uric acid kidney stones should avoid asparagus. Number 2. Asparagus helps with hangovers. According to a new study, the amino acids and minerals found in asparagus extract may help relieve hangovers, and protect liver cells from the toxins found in alcohol. Chronic alcohol abuse leads to oxidative stress, and liver damage over time. Excessive drinking can result in headaches, nausea, diarrhea, and thirst. According to a study published in the current issue of the Journal of Food Science, asparagus, a vegetable is eaten in many countries around the world, has long been used for its anti-cancer, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and diuretic properties. The number one health benefit of asparagus that many people have almost no idea about it is coming up. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel, to be the first to watch more stuff just like this. We are releasing new content each week. Plus, don't forget to click the link in the description below to grab your free gift: favorite desserts, the most delicious recipes that quickly burn fat. And now on to the number one health benefit of this amazing vegetable. Asparagus can help you lose weight. There have been no studies on the effects of asparagus on weight loss to date. However, it does have a number of properties that could help you lose weight. First, it's very low in calories, with only 20 calories in half a cup. As a result, you can take a lot of asparagus without consuming a large number of calories. Furthermore, it contains approximately 94% water. Consumption of low-calorie water-rich foods has been linked to weight loss in many scientific studies. Asparagus is also high in fiber, which has been linked to weight loss and reduced body weight. So, asparagus has a number of features that make it a weight loss-friendly food. It's low in calories, high in water, and rich in fiber. So, which of these health benefits do you think is the most important for you? We would love to hear your idea, so please share it with our community by commenting below. Don't forget to click the link below to grab your amazing free gift. And remember to like this video, and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. We hope you are having a happy and healthy day.